Namaskar friends. Welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Cummings. Aerospace unveils enhanced Hellhound S4 drone for Homeland defense roles. Cummings Aerospace has unveiled its latest Hellhound S4 drone variant, designed specifically for Homeland defense applications. The announcement was made at the Space and Missile Defense Symposium in Huntsville, Alabama, where the new model drew attention from military strategists and industry specialists. The S4 is an evolution of the existing S3 drone, but with enhancements for air defense roles, in line with government initiatives such as President Trump's proposed Golden Dome missile defense program. Sheila Cummings, CEO of Cummings Aerospace, said mobility and multi-mission capability were foundational elements for tactical success in layered defense strategies like Golden Dome. Key upgrades to the S4 include payload versatility, enabling it to serve as a loitering munition, conduct intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, ISR missions, or operate as a low-cost cruise missile. Its modular design, featuring a removable nose, allows rapid reconfiguration, while its operational weight of up to 45 pounds marks a significant increase over the 12 to 14 pounds of the S3. The S4 is currently in engineering development, with prototype construction underway and flight testing scheduled to begin next spring. Production will follow the scalable manufacturing processes used for the S3, reflecting the defense sector's increasing requirement for rapid production at scale. Much of the Hellhound air vehicle is produced using commercially available 3D printing technology, enabling faster prototyping and manufacturing. Cummings highlighted the importance of sourcing standard parts from multiple suppliers to mitigate risks associated with single-source dependency. The company's location near Redstone Arsenal, a key hub for Army aviation testing and development, supports efficient coordination for production and integration of defense technologies. Over the past 16 years, Cummings Aerospace has contributed to the development of interceptors, sensors, and command and control systems, building its reputation in missile defense technology. By focusing on both domestic production capacity and international partnerships, Cummings Aerospace aims to meet growing demand for advanced aerial defense systems. Its ability to produce more than 100 S3 units each month will be applied to the S4 to support rapid deployment needs. With its emphasis on multi-mission capability, scalable manufacturing, and distributed supply chains, the S4 program reflects a future-oriented approach to national security. Cummings Aerospace's work positions it to play a central role in layered defense strategies, such as Golden Dome. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.